This video covers the concept of dispersion. So we know white light that we see every day is actually composed of all different colors of the rainbow. You may have seen this concept illustrated before. There are crystals that you can place in windows that separate white light into rainbows. This separation of colors is done because of refraction. The different kinds of light, like red, blue, violet, all have different wavelengths, which bend differently because when they come in contact with an interference. So let's explore this concept a little bit more. Here we have a glass prism. We are going to have a ray of white light that hits the glass at this angle. When the white light hits the prism, the red and violet portions of the white light bend at different angles because of their wavelengths. Here we have drawn the normal line to the interface, and we know that when light travels from a fast to a slow medium, it bends towards the normal line. Since red light has a wavelength of 660 nanometers and violet has a wavelength of 410 nanometers, the violet light bends more than the red light, which causes this separation. In these diagrams, we will only draw the red and violet light because these are on opposite ends of the rainbow color spectrum. Technically, there are also orange, yellow, green, blue, and indigo, but this is easier just to draw two ends of the color spectrum. Alrighty, so then the light leaves when it travels from a slow to fast medium, so we know the light bends away from the normal line. And we can see the different wavelengths or colors of the light have separated themselves. This idea of dispersion is also how we can describe how rainbows are made. First, in order for there to be the rainbow, there has to be the sun out, and we have raindrops or extra moisture in the air. White light comes from the sun and enters the raindrop, and the raindrop then separates the light by the wavelength, just like the prism did on the previous slide. This happens for multiple raindrops, and therefore we have the separation of multiple light waves. And as the observer, you see hundreds of thousands of these refractions, and together they combine to create the rainbow.